Hey everybody, it's Bridget with Chicken and Nugget. Today we are going to make some super delicious guava bars. These are going to be great for any like taco night, or if you're making fajitas, or if you just need to bring something for, a dish to pass. Super simple. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my flours. My secret is that I use a little bit of almond flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. I'm going to go ahead and just whisk these together. Get some of the larger lumps out. And now it's time to add my butter. So I've cubed a half cup of butter. And now it's just time to cut this in. So I just want it to be about the size of small peas. So I'm going to work on that, and we'll get back to you guys in just a couple of minutes. All right, welcome back. So you guys can see I've got my crust all set up and ready to go. It's kind of crumbly right now, but I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my baking dish. Now I've prepared my baking dish with some tin foil that overlaps the sides. The benefit of this is that it makes it really easy to pull these bars out and slice them. So let's go ahead and get your crust going. And it may not look like it's going to come together now because it's not wet, but in just a second, you'll see how easily it happens. So I'm just going to take the back end of a measuring cup, a small one, and I'm just going to press down on my crust. Now I have used cooking spray on my tin foil to make sure that I don't get any sticking. All right. All right, so first step is done. Super simple. Look at that, beautiful crust. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my guava paste down. You can find this at your international aisle of your grocery store, or if you have a Latin American grocery store or a Latin grocery store near you where you can shop, you can also find that. It looks like this. It comes in a tin, a round tin, and it's super tasty. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer this down over my crust, and we'll get back to you guys in just a couple of minutes. Welcome back. So now you guys can see that I have my thinly sliced guava paste layered down over my crust. So it's time to make our topping. I'm going to move this off to the side, and I'm going to bring my bowl back around. All right, so to my bowl, I'm going to add flour and oats. Going to add some sugar, some coconut flakes, and some salt. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these together. Just so they get combined. These are all just really great flavors that all go well together. And these oats are gonna give me a little bit of a crunch on top. I'm gonna go ahead and put my half cup of butter down over the top. And then, just like we did before, I'm gonna get this so that it resembles small peas. All right, so now that I've got my topping made up, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle my large chunks of topping right over the top of my guava paste. And I'm not gonna press this down, I'm just gonna sprinkle it and just sort of let it happen naturally. And there's our crumble topping. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Quick, simple, easy to make, ready to bake. I'm gonna go ahead and bake this off in the June, and we'll have something delicious to share with our friends and family. Look forward to seeing you guys on the channel again soon. Have a great day.